Hi viewers, welcome to Miss Khan channel. Today we are the beauty of nature. You can see the beautiful clean water and the beautiful stone. Amazing. This is very amazing stone. You can see stones are just like stitch pearls in the mud. It's very amazing. You can see the clean water. Look, this is the green fresh. Crystal clear, yeah. Crystal clear water and the beautiful stones. Look, and the beautiful weather, blue sky, fresh air, and the beauty of Pakistan. This is Hanna Lake. That is near Quetta, far from Tangi Dam. It is near Baluchistan Dam. That is almost 3 to 4 kilometers from this lake, and you must visit Pakistan and enjoy the beauty of Pakistan. Amazing. This is amazing stone.